Okay. Sound should be good. That's audio. I want to see if this thing can at least stay up for 30 minutes. When I first got the Starlink, I didn't have it. It would just, every time it would change from satellite to satellite, it would just cut the stream. So now I'm hoping I can get at least 30 minutes. It's just normal streaming. I do have the 10 meg that I need to do up on the Starlink, but this is peak time. This is also the time that I like to trade as well. I started getting into the groove, the sun's down. So I just need to have a look. You see, we're just observing Sol here on the 1 minute, because I'm more than likely going to be trading this thing tomorrow. I was wanting to trade at about 120. Let's see. Okay, I'll be right back. I just need to get some juice and stuff like that. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes. See. Sup. See, so it said like no data. Sorry, this one's just gonna be for about 30 minutes. And I think I chop and change satellites on the Starlink. I'll check here every like 3 minutes max. I really need to go see if I have to move my Starlink, but I don't think I have to. I think the update should be good, and there's more satellites in the sky now. I usually only ever had one over my area and like a 50k, or it was in a 350k radius for me, but it would ping it. Now I have like 2 or 3. So then it says good connection, good connection. What shitcoins? I'm actually not trading fried. I've just been sitting on my hands. I was lucky enough to grab some. I got locked into the account at like 68ish, and then I got unbanned from the account at about 72. So I obviously took that profit. There's a couple $100 on that same three grand account, $400. Then I was trading, got about $100 out. Then I got locked into the trade again. So I was just like, oh fuck, I'm just gonna give back everything I made. But then it ironically let me out at 95 a couple of days later. And then I was scalping a bit up into the 97 region, and then yeah, I just stopped, bro. Just stopped. And then we've been on the way down. So now I've been looking at like Sol. I really want to trade Sol. The Sol perps are free on Max. And then I've also been thinking about maybe getting back into trading Bitcoin on KEX at the 0.01% at the 0.01% fee taker, maybe for Bitcoin. I think it's quite good. My risk is usually $8, right? So let's just put it on the 1 minute. And the fee in and out, if I was to be a taker, would be 16. The max I'd be willing to give away if it was 0 fee taker is $20. So it's sort of in there. But yeah, I just gotta decide if I want to limit it in. I would obviously like one side of the trade to be a limit. So I'm gonna decide where I'm putting on the risk will be the limit trade, because on that side's free. Then I can allow it to go against me $12 and get out. And get out, and that would pretty much be me taking a loss on 0 fees. But usually I don't ever let it get against me $20, but I'm comfortable with that when it's very volatile. So yeah, you can see it gives us some quite nice. Anyway, like I like to at 0 fee take 20, 30 bang, take 10, take 30, you know, spot. Obviously I can't short it. But this is what I'm also going to do now with the Sol pair. Where's this one? Is I'm going to start practicing my shorts, but only because they're free. And I should have been doing that a long time ago. It doesn't matter what the price is. I don't give a shit that it's going down. I just want to practice it. Yeah, so I can like maximize stuff. You know, maybe I missed the upside of the thing, and I know it's going to pull back because that's where I'd take profit if it did. So it'll pull back where I'd take profit, and I'm going to reverse that. So I'm going to give that a bash. And it'll just be on like 1x. This coin's a little bit volatile. Don't want to do like, you can lose money very quickly. I'm wanting to give it, what is the number here? See, the problem is when it was at 120 it made more sense. 100 times 0.01. So yeah, you see, my risk would be maybe 3 cents. But when I'm hitting this thing with a taker, I'm obviously going to be buying the cent that that's above. So I'm going to buy that, and then I need for the book to lift 2 cents. Then I can sell for a 1 cent profit. But I think it's doable. It does give a lot, but I'm going to have to be very patient when I do trade it. I literally just, because I'm going to maybe throw in like 10 or 15 coins at this price. I literally just want like 50, 20 cent moves. Ching, ching, ching. So then that's like $2 every 30 seconds to 90 seconds. Ching, 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 ching. But yeah, I can give them back quite as easily. So I'm just going to have to be a bit patient with those entries. And I don't want to be late either, because you can see the wicks either side. If you are long or short, you don't really want to be late. Like, that's a bad one, dude. That's a quick 10 cents down. Yes, it did look like I wanted to push through. Anything here actually still saying down pretty much. Be the next candle. Close this a doji or something. And I'll be right back. Hopefully this thing doesn't do no data. As soon as I said I'll be right back, it no dated. Message retracted. King Cosmic. I know a guy called Cosmic Whale. He's in the stream. Warning. Bitrate 256. 2056. It's now. Maybe I'd have to drop some trading view tabs. Okay, I'm gonna see if it cuts the connection again for like 15 seconds. If it does, then I'm gonna drop some trading view tabs off. Just to see if that's hammering bandwidth. What shitcoins are you trading, Fry? I'm sure you've been on it. There's been some good ones. We've been in fart. Saw fart. It's ironic though, but it's not giving too many good moves. Yeah. There's some good alts, bro. I'm not trading them, but I've been with a few friends that have been trading them. Some good ones out there. Not bad. Is this other coin still here? Oh. Ah, it's right here, the grey. It's quite a nice move, man. This thing does give. Not looking for much out of it, dude. Just want a 20, 30 cent moves. Risk 3, try gain 10. Risk 3 cents, try make 10. Or it'll be 9. Risk 3, try make 9. Warning, 21. Okay, so it does look like this thing when it's getting loaded up. Oh, okay. That's so much effort to redo. Let's knock these XPX off, these higher time frame ones, and leave for 1 minute. Right. Who are you? We can knock you off because you've broken. You're broken. Ugh, I don't want to load you. Okay, let's see. Excellent. Okay. So it went from good to excellent. Wow, this thing's very delayed. 15 minutes. 15 minutes in. I wonder how many times it's actually cut off. 2050. Warning. 2058. Warning. 20. 1 warning. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just see for 15 minutes I'll give it 5 minutes. I'm going to see how long it takes for the next drop. It looks like they're averaging every 8 minutes. So 21, 10 minutes, I'm expecting it to drop off. If it doesn't, 21:15, I'm going to load up another trading view tab, which has 4 assets in it, and I'm going to see if it drops the live stream. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to exit some more of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's usually only 12. So it'll be like a 7-day or something, 45-day. Yeah, usually only be about 12. Okay. A little bit of SPX action, still there. Volatility, we do not need another cone. Let's go check that with Solly Poo. Look for you. Do we need another cone yet? This thing's a little bit choppy. I would like another cone. Okay, something there is happening. So it builds out really weird when I open a tab for the first time on that screen. Huh. Okay. And then I also need to test my audio. So this thing says it's all the way up. All the way up. Okay, so I'll do those tests in a couple minutes here. So this audio is, if I redline it. Okay, let me also open Motive Mix. Too many updates. Too long since I haven't done a stream. Don't need a limiter. So it's on manual mode. I want auto level. Monitor mix is near. So we'll put it on far. Okay, so put it on far now. Okay. So I've most probably just been mumbling. Natural tone. That's fine. Monitor mix. Playback mic. I just want. I think it's playback, no mic. It's if I plug my headphones into my microphone. But it doesn't matter for now. Okay, Motive Mix looks good. Far. Let's see what this is saying. Maxed out. Maxed out. Maxed out. I feel like it needs more power. Let's turn those headphones up as well. Max. Sorry, I was probably just hearing bang, 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 bang. Okay. Bounce. And the other guys down here. A little bit of quite a long push, man. It is going to bounce there. It's looking for 10631. Obviously anything in between here can slow it down. Holds 10631, 10675. Gonna have to hold this pivoting thing here. Maybe another touch at 10530. See if they're gonna build up. Well, there's some structure. A little bit awkward. Good moves though. Okay, let me go back to the YouTube channel. So far, we haven't cut. Okay, so we're looking. I'm looking for the connection to go bad in the next 2 minutes. You guys are about 15 seconds behind from what I can see. Let me just draw. A random circle on here on the new minute. I just want to see how slow it's streaming. How many seconds delayed. Because if I'm going to be scalping live, I don't know. I think it would be better if it was. Okay, so that's on the new minute. I'm going to see how long it takes to show up on the YouTube. Hopefully not more than 15 seconds. I'm going to have to do a test 3 then, if this internet connection is holding, to make it ultra high, ultra fast. Okay, so it's been 20 seconds, and you guys haven't seen the circle I've drawn. That is not good. Oh, it's not live. Stupid me. Okay, I'll just delete it on the 30-second. See how long it takes. 30 seconds. So it's deleted. This deleted. How long is it going to take till it comes back? Or till it goes away here? That's a while. Oh, what's that? So we've got a 20-second delay. Okay, and that's on normal. A green circle didn't mean buy or anything. It was just green, I think. Okay, that's 20-second delay. Shit. I'm going to have to bump that up. I'll do another stream this evening. It's off, yes. I'll do another one. You're going to put in something here. SP. SPX. You guys still in your place? You are. 0 volatility, nothing. Yeah, nearly a new card. Let's go back to Sol. Yes, this one's looking like it's going to try push back up, hey? Some good volatility coming in here. Zeroed out. Obviously can expand either which way. Closer targets with liquidity are to the upside at the current moment. Obviously that's where it's expanding from. As you can see here, that white line. Price distribution cone. A lot of volatility going to 0 in that region. So you are looking for a, I'd say reversal, but it'd only be called a reversal if it's strong enough, right? But you would be looking for a quick counter trade at least. If it does hold where it was, going off the green flash. In this case, at 20 cents I'd be happy with. Wait for the next action. Okay, so everything is excellent. Stream quality good. Let's see how long the delay is. I shouldn't draw a green circle. Okay, I'll just draw a green circle, it's fine. Green circle, 25. And then I'll delete it. Green circle, 25. Okay, 25. Okay, so that's 10 seconds. It's 10 seconds delayed. On good. On 30 frames a second. You see, no one's really going to be watching this, but would you rather have delayed or would you rather have a good quality chart so it doesn't look so pixelated? This is at 2 megs, this upload speed. Again, let me just shake the chart. Okay, that would do. Come on, Z. 34. Coming in, green squigglies. Oh, okay, see, that's a problem. That is a problem. Okay, so we're back up to excellent. Let's just draw some squigglies here again at 45. See how long that takes. Should have gone through. Okay, 15, 16-second delay. I wonder if I turn, I don't really want to turn anything else off. Okay, I'll take those higher term time frame XRPs off. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12 tabs. Let's see if that reduces the speed. And then I'll delete it on the new minute. So that's the easiest way to see how long it takes. "17-second delay. I don't know how Elon Musk says he freaking games online with this thing. I got like 100 ping, bro. Like, who are you fighting against? That you can kick the ass at 100 ping. I don't trade with this connection though. I use it for TradingView. But I did buy it for TradingView and for streaming. Because it's consistent. TradingView doesn't reset often. Well, it actually doesn't reset. Warning, bad stream, good stream. Only for 15 seconds. Alright, so the stream. Got to pause at 21:25. Hopefully this thing didn't go down. The stream, not the price action. Should be using Binance charts, eh? Oh, why are those things up there like that? Don't worry, it's not an RSI. I think it's because Sol was choppy. I wanted to nail in a good point for loss of correlation. And I'd say it was quite tough. It was quite tough. Obviously moved a lot more since I put them in. I think I put those things in when the price was about 125. Doesn't really matter. It was just for observations. Nothing to quantify. Alright, Solipoo. A little bit of a random walk here in a pump mode. I'd like to see how much this thing kicks off in a condition like that. I would but then it might be in trend mode if it hits 80. Actually, you see I need to load up the other time frames. Still a random walk up there. Okay. Yeah, so above 80. 83, I would imagine. Trend tries to push up. Let's see who's getting flagged. Any flashes? Whippity whip. Okay, so now I'm going to bring up a new tab. I actually want to have it loaded on another window. It's going to take forever, bro. Okay, I'll just let it load. We'll see what happens to the connection. And I'll program them in. Program. Make me sound very clever. I'll program them into, say, Solana. I'll just... Okay, it takes a while to load there. 43. I really hope I can do ultra low latency. Looks like it's alright. I'm praying to gosh I've gotten this far at 43 minutes. The little few cutouts. Sorry you guys, may have to press live every 8 minutes. I'll try again with ultra. Alright. a big range, Solipoo. It's a very big range. Where you... So real. Ooh. Oof.
It's just too difficult, too complex to really describe.
Ooh. Banger tunes. More than likely get flagged on YouTube.
More real than reality itself.
Anyway. Powerful soul. Powerful. Suppose if you're up your dog, you might as well try push for 106.90. I don't know. Fuck. I haven't really... You just shy there. This is on max. 8 cents. Let's see. Oh, this is why I wanted to do this one. I'll do that one in a bit. I just want to see this price action play through. Okay, now I just need to set up this chart, or this layout for 3, 3, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Oh. Okay, let's see. Stream quality is good, but the bitrate's 2 megs. Man. I'm gonna jolt the Starlink quick. Speed test. See if I speed test at 50 minutes, will it cut off the internet? It's not pinging. Alright. It's positive drift, 50-50, positive drift. Trying to swing momentum to the upside. I would imagine hold 68. We'll go to the upside. That'll be the line in the sand. Close below there, you start fading back down into this liquidity. Oh, I've got the cone. We haven't. Oh, we did hit the cone. Ish. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to look a bit deeper. See 630. Anything here on 630? Sort of in no man's land. The current moment. Let's see. Would be the range if it were to break down, to break up. It would be quick. Nuclear 106.80. Okay. I've also had a little bump. It's sort of all down except for 3 minutes, a bit undecided. The momentum oscillators agree, but the volatility hasn't agreed as of yet. It's 50-50. Okay, let's try that speed test again. So it's not okay. So when it's good, it's pushing above 10 megs up. That's it. Sneaky dump mode now on a 3 minute, 1 minute dump mode, 2 minute negative drift. Obviously, it's coming into some nice targets here. Let's see if there's that target on the cone is here. A quick scalp. More than 20 cents. Let's see. Main guy's flashing, so it won't want to be drastic on this candle. Next candle, I'd say maybe, where's 50? Wow, that's quite a while away. Let's see where this one closes. I'm looking for a 20 cent scalp to the upside. not sort of. Let's see. Oh. That's still down. That's sneaky dump. Who's unfolding here? Still need a mean revert. Okay, everyone's printing here. It would make sense. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Everyone's printing. And oh, slip it? No. That's a tough one. Ah, there's a hidden bull dev. Fucking missed that. I suppose limit in at 06, but I think it's too late. Let's see that 06. Maybe drop it to 03 now. Quick pullback. Sweep it just a touch. I suppose 03, 04 now. Nah. No limits. So I gotta market this game. In and out. Ding ding. Okay, so 1 minute's looking for an expansion, and in this given direction it might be to the upside. 2 minutes not allowing that. 3 minutes still 50-50. It's gonna be a random one. So until it's a trend, I would look, if it does break out, I'd look for 37. Where that thing prints next, 33. Let's see. Those 3 minutes are pushing down. What's this 1 minute saying? Looking a little bit bullish from here. I would like another touch somewhere in here though. But I suppose Sol looks like she's going to bake a quick candle. If it was to pull back, it would have been here by now, I would imagine. Two minutes. Okay, there's that 03 area. Whoa, wrong one. Oh, got smoked. Got smoked. Wouldn't be happy with that. You guys. Yeah. Wow, that fell off quite a lot, eh? Not good. Let's see if it can try and recover itself here on these. Still negative drifts. 50-50 dump, 1 minute. Negative drift. Okay, so we can try push a bit lower, I suppose. Would be helpful to maybe have a 15-minute on. Because I was just scalping. I don't really need no too much higher than a 15-minute. In pump mode there. 1 minute in pump mode. Okay. Let's drag that over so we have these guys. Positive drift. Yuck. Yuck. Looking for a trend to the upside, man. Even though it did get its ass absolutely wicked on the last one. Holds that, I'm guessing, 106.10 level. Push up. Throw some Ving Vongs on here. No Ving Vongs in the area. Oh, only upside Ving Vong. Where's downside Ving Vong? Woo wee. Okay, someone's volatility is getting smashed. Yeah, the signature, you can't really see it. Let me do this. So much stuff on the chart. I'll just make it easy for anyone that may be watching. The signature usually indicates low volatility. I'm not saying it's a pattern, but whilst the price has been going a little bit more down, that's one of the signatures that I'm seeing that matches up with like a zero volatility print. Obviously, it's not the perfect one because it'll all be 5 in a row, but you can see that 0 left shoulder, 0 peak, 0 right shoulder, thin tail events happening, fat tail events happening in that. So, yeah. Anyway. Let's see if this one's done it. Not really. It's more normal. It's expected that. Okay, so if this one's flashed, I wonder if we got a 15-minute. Interesting. Interesting. Yep, trending up, buddy. Looks like that's what you're doing, yeah? Let's see here, trying to catch the trend. Yeah.
Try and think back to a quiet time. I never had one in this mind of mine. Rain, sleet, or snow, gotta find a line to define our times.